Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at sketchbook techniques. When you are building up your portfolio, whether you're doing GCSEs or A-levels, it's always really good to make sure that you've got a wide range of different techniques. So in this video I'm going to show you a few different techniques that you can use to build up your portfolio. The first one is going to be looking at watercolours and making a drawing of a rose. So I've started off with a drawing from a photograph of a rose that I've looked at quite analytically, and then I've started to add colour with the watercolours. So as you can see, I've built up subtle washes of colour first of all, and then I'm adding darker tones to show where the petals overlap and to show a bit more shadow, and then using a finer, more detailed brush to just add a little bit more depth to each of the petals. For the second technique, I'm still looking at flowers again, and I'm using watercolours. This time I'm using subtle tones of colour underneath, and then I'm going to build up the layers and build up the lines and the textures using the same colour marker pen over the top. So this is for making sure that you see the shape and the form and the structure of the object that you're drawing, and you're adding texture. And then I decided it looked a bit too Christmassy, so I've decided to go back and add some more subtle tones. So more subtle tones of orange and a few different shades of green as well, and then try to add a bit more shadow. For the next technique, I'm using a black fine liner pen, and I'm outlining the images that I've drawn already in pencil. So it's a bit of a smaller flower, and there's lots of different petals, and so fine liners are really good for showing detail. So I'm looking at the details of the structure of the flowers, and I'm overlapping the layers so you can see which foliage is behind and which one is in front, and then I'm trying to bring out the textures in each different type of leaf, so you can see that where I'm adding the mark making and building it up and refining it as I'm going along. So I'm adding layers and I'm building up the depth in each little section. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.